Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how much house can you afford. Let's get into the video. Real estate is a good investment to have and own. It should be part of your portfolio in terms of wealth building assets. However, when purchasing a home, you should follow certain financial guidelines to determine how much house can you afford. I would strongly recommend have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Also, the house payment should not be no more than 25% of your take home pay. On the other hand, I would recommend to put in a down payment of anywhere between 10 to 20% down. I know it's hard, but doing it that way, you will come out ahead financially. One last thing is, no matter what you do, make sure that your monthly mortgage payment do not exceed 25% of your take home pay. Mainly because you want to have enough money left over in your budget to take care of your other basic needs like food, clothing, medical, insurance, and so on. If you want to learn how to invest your money, please check out my course on how to invest your money below of the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.